Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's video we have a Tesla Model X that we're going to be wrapping in INOZETEK, the super gloss material on the market right now. It's called Super Gloss Lava Orange. I'm excited for you guys to see it, so let's get into the video. We'll see you guys there.
Are you 22?
No, I'm 19.
21?
I'm 19, bro. What are you talking about?
Alright, well then maybe. Oh, he's got both of them!
Alright, let's get it.
What's going on here?
We're removing this vinyl off a Chevy Equinox.
Nice. It's a lot of...
It's a lot of damage.
I wonder how long has it been on here?
I don't know, the last one was what, 5 years?
I think it's 6.
6 years?
The truck one?
No, there was another one that we took apart.
Another Equinox.
Like,
Oh.
it literally looked exactly like this.
Was it for the same people?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, right on. Nice.
It's just that when they get to a certain mileage, then they just end up selling the car.
I see.
Sell them and trade them out.
Damn.
I want chips. Give me some chips.
Yeah, where did you get those? Where are my chips?
They're almost gone.
Camera.
No. What's up, guys? I haven't picked up the camera in a little bit, but I just want to let you know that the Tesla Model X is finished. We finished it up in super gloss lava orange, and I just want to show you guys this. It looks insane. The white interior with the orange is absolutely awesome. I love it. The headlights look good with it. The chrome looks good with it. We were originally going to do a full chrome delete on this, but the customer decided to go against it, and I am very happy that the customer went against that because this chrome looks so good with this. It would look too much like a pumpkin, I guess, if it were to be black and orange, but this really looks good. But as you guys can see, we did take off the Model X and the 90D or P100D, whichever one this may be, but we threw on the original Tesla emblem. This is also fully ceramic coated in Ceramic Pro. We did base coat and then a top coat, so it's giving it that high gloss, and it's going to be very hydrophobic when it comes to the rain. But yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us a lot. We are definitely going to be pushing out a lot more content this summer, and just please hit those notification bells as well, because then you guys are updated whenever we have another video that goes live. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.